Alright, how's it going, guys? Right now I'm driving along the ring road here in Iceland. I woke up around 7:30 a.m. We started cooking breakfast, getting ready for the day. We packed some sort of like a sandwich with a bunch of cheese, some pepperonis, some eggs, fried eggs. After cooking breakfast, we went to Reykjavik. We took the bus to the city. We went to pick up a car, the car I'm driving right now. Very important, guys, when you get a car in any country, always make sure to inspect it first. And then we went to this other camping company. We only bought some propane. And what I like about that place is they have a little section there where travelers that come to Iceland and they rent stuff from that company, whatever food or leftovers that they have, they leave it there so other travelers can go there and pick some stuff up. And we got a few things. We got some a box of Kleenex, we got some salt, pepper for our food. We took a bunch of stuff, but nothing that looked expired or overused. So anything that looked like somewhat clean or safe to consume, we did take it. If you want to do your groceries, is to go to Bonus. Bonus is the #1 place because it's the cheapest option in terms of doing your groceries compared to other grocery stores. And at Bonus, we bought a few things, and I found this natural, I hope it's natural, this natural drink. If you can see it, no carbs, no sugar at all. It has BCAAs, meaning branched chain amino acids. For you gym rats out there, you're gonna like this drink. There's a bunch of different flavors, and it has caffeine. So because I'm not a coffee drinker, I know I don't drink coffee, I only drink tea, but with this caffeine, it's gonna keep me awake when driving along the ring road and around Iceland. Then we had these hot dogs in a fast food chain in Iceland. I think it's called Jolly. I'm butchering the names. It's called Jolly, I think. So yeah, we had hot dogs there. Pretty decent flavors, you know. Oh, oh, whoa! Hey guys, so in this shop you can actually find some of these hats. It's made from real animals. This one has, let me see, ticket here said lamb and white fox, which is crazy. It's actually super warm, but guess the price. The price is $37,800. If I put it in Canadian, it's close to $400 Canadian, which is pretty crazy, but hey, you get a good quality hat of a real animal. Huh. What about this one here? This one looks nice. This is made of rabbit, and it's $20,800, which is about maybe 200 something Canadian dollars. Let's try it. I like it. Like, I'm against clothing made from animals because of the torture they make. I mean, the torture that animals go through. But man, this is soft. Whoa. Holy crap. This is so soft. It's amazing. Wow. Alright, let's continue exploring. drive safe. Pull. Thank you, Mr. T, for reminding me that we have to drive safe. It's actually not an easy ride here, driving along Iceland. There's a lot of curves. And where are the keys right now? Where are the keys? Holy crap. Where are the keys? How did you get in? What? You picked up the keys?
No.
What?
I have the keys.
Where are the keys? Oh, here they are. So it wasn't locked? I remember locking.
Oh my god!
Alright, so I have to go back to the car. I changed shoes. These are for hiking and walking on gravel, rocks. My other types of shoes is just for normal walking. And underneath my raincoat, I have a hoodie because it's pretty windy and it's actually cold. Even though it's like 15 degrees Celsius here in Iceland. Yeah, so you gotta be careful, it's slippery. So you see over there, you can get really wet. So these guys are using a drone, but the wind is like pushing it a little bit. And I'm too scared to lose my drone because it cost me $1,500 back then. So I don't feel like losing a drone. Okay, up to the next stop. Let's go. It's 9 p.m. and still shining bright outside, and I'm not tired because it's not dark. It's psychologically, you know, affecting me actually. Yes. Look behind me. Damn. Oh, the sun is hitting my face. The damn. Okay. After Gullfoss, it was 1 hour and a half of drive, and now we're at, what's this place called again? Which one? I need my cell phone. I can't pronounce the name. How do you spell that?
S-E-L.
How do you say it?
I don't know. Seljalandsfoss.
Where's my phone? Oh, it's in my pocket.
Wow.
This place is called Seljalandsfoss. Anyways, I'm gonna have the name written below every time I visit a place. But holy crap, it took 1 hour and a half. I'm still awake, and guess what time it is right now? It's 9:41 p.m. and it's still sunny. I love this weather. No one is sleeping. People are still visiting, hiking, going everywhere. So I was stretching once I got out of the car, and this man approached me saying, "It feels good, huh?" And I'm like, "Yeah, it feels good to stretch." And he said, "Go all the way. There's gonna be a cave. Once you go into the cave, there's gonna be a hidden waterfall somewhere."
That's good.
Look at this. Look at this beauty. Wow. This is Mother Nature at its finest. Go behind the waterfall, make sure to have a raincoat because you're gonna splash with water, and have hiking shoes because it's really slippery, okay? Look, it's really slippery. Mother Nature is one sexy, let me tell you that. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera away because I'm scared of dropping it. Okay, so where I am right now is oh man, the name's cut off. Actually no, it's not. It is cut off, but I'll put it on the description. Oh, here it is. Gullfoss. Yep, I butchered the name again. Okay, so where I was before is all the way there. When you're in front of it, when you turn left, you're gonna end up over here. So there's a path. Follow the path, and this is a waterfall that a lot of people miss because right in front of it there's a camping site. So this is where you have to come if you want to camp. Okay, you pass the parking lot from over there, you continue straight. This is the camping site. By the way, look at the moon, and the sunset is over there. It's beautiful. Okay. Oh wow. I cannot feel my hands right now because in that cave it's so cold, the water splashes on you. Look, I'm soaking wet right now, and my camera's inside me, like inside my jacket, and it ran out of battery. I can't even feel my hands to change the battery, so I'm using my phone instead. But make sure to bring gloves and a thick jacket, thick layers on top of layers, even more layers, another layer. How many layers do you want? Just bring all of them because it's freezing right now. All right, so now I'm gonna go back to my car, and then we're gonna grab our tent, camp here, maybe eat something because we're hungry.